sweetie pie. Hello. You wanna get up?
No.
I'm talking to Matthew, Maybelline. Matthew. Need some help? You stuck there? A footsie? Huh? Up. Get up. Up, up, up. Up. No? There you go. Hold on to this. Come on. You can do it. Come up. Up. You lazy boy. Come on. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it. Oh, sweetie. You need some help? You want me to show you how to do it? Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Alright, hold on to that. Okay? Open your legs. Open your legs so you have better balance. Okay, you ready? You ready? Hi, Matthew. Say hello. Hello. Matthew. Matthew. Hey. Hey. Don't do that. Hey. Loco. Matthew. What are you looking at? Are you looking at your baby? At the baby? You want to see if the baby can do the same? Hey, Matthew.
Mom.
Yes.
Fix the candy cane and let's fall down. Mom.
Yes, honey.
Matthew trying to fix the candy cane so we won't fall down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to touch the baby? You okay, Matthew? Oh, yeah, you got it. Good job. You almost lost it there. What is that pink bear doing in your crib, Matthew? Huh? Is this your favorite bear? Bite it, Matthew, bite it. Say, I don't like you, you're pink. Hold on tight. Oh, Matthew, you're so sweet. Hey, boo, 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 boo. Watch out. Oh, you want to hold it? Wow, Matthew. What are you doing? Oh, you want this one? Okay, hold on. Hold on. Let the baby talk. This baby's naked. Say not you. Go away. See, you look like a boy. I'm not gonna kiss you like that. Kissy? You wanna kiss the baby? You wanna kiss the baby? Say hi to the baby. Kissy? No. That's a boy. Okay, let's try Pinky. Here. Oh, you like this one?
I like this one. Perfect. The baby like down here. It won't go down.
Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye to the camera. Say bye. Can you say bye-bye? Matthew. Hey. Okay, it's time to go. Time to go. Woo.